Hi everyone, this is lesson number 14, HSK1, and let's start. Don't forget to subscribe and press button. Dialogue number 1. We will practice words that we studied on the last lesson, talking about school. Are you going to school today? 你今天去学校吗？你今天 you today to go to somewhere, go to where? 学校 school, it's a school. 学校 and question particle 吗？你今天去学校吗？学校 Next one. Yes, I'm going to school. How about you? 是的，是的。Yes, it is. Oh, yes, I am. 是的，我去学校。我去学校。I go to school. What about you? 你呢？呢？No, it's like reverse question. Nina, what about you? I'm also going to school. What day is today? 我也去学校。我也去学校。I also, yeah, it's also. Oh, I'm too. I also go to school. 去学校。今天星期几？今天 today. 星期几？星期 it's a week, and 几 here is represent how much, but which one? Which day of the week today? So 星期几 for example, 星期一 like here. Today is Monday. 今天星期一星期一 all first as you can see, every word with the first tone. So 今天星期一 you can say, but don't need to pick up your voice, just do it in the same level. So 今天星期一星期一今天 Dialogue number 2, asking about books. Let's continue asking about books. Do you like reading books? 你喜欢看书吗？你喜欢看书吗？ You like here's can, it's like to read or to look at something. This book. So here is meaning of reading. So 你喜欢看书吗？看书 it's a first one. 书 Yes, I have many books. How about you? 喜欢 or we can say 喜欢 like half third. Just go down and don't go up. So 喜欢你喜欢看书 and we can say yes I do, yes I am, or just I like here's a 喜欢 so we answer 喜欢 I like. 我有很多书 I have many books. 我有很多书 we can say second and third because of transformation. 我有很多书 I have a lot of books. 多书 你呢 what about you? Oh, we can say 你呢 don't need to always only in the end of the sentence. Third one, full one. 你 but here is not in the end, so 你呢 I also like reading books. What book are you reading recently? 我也喜欢看书 I also like reading books. I like to read books. 你最近在看什么呢？什么书？你最近 here's a new word. It's been recently, in the near past. So 最 here's you can say the most important, for example, the most the biggest, the most powerful. So here's 最 here's the most. But 近 here's close. So the most close, the most recent 近 you have a time or place meaning. So 最近 here is about time. So read recently. 你最近在看什么书 in the near past or recently 在看在 here is represent present continuous. So 看在看 you are in the process. It doesn't mean he's reading right now, but maybe last month he started to read something and continue up this moment, and later also he will continue to read. So 在看什么书 which book, what book, which book 你最近在看什么书 I'm reading a book about history. 我在看I'm reading what? 一本书啊，一本关于历史的书。Here's a few words. I read 一本 it's a measure word for books, but here's a new word. 关于 you can translate about, just about. For example, here's history. 历史 it's a history, like a school subject in school, or just history of your family, history of your country. 关于 it's about. 关 it's something close connected. You just preposition, but you don't need to remember it right now. Just concentrate on our words that we studied. 我在看一本关于历史的书。Dialogue number 3. Discussing dates. What is the date today? 今天是7月7号。Today is 7月 which month? 7号 which day? Which number? So it's what day is today? Today is October 5th. Why every time it's October 5th? 今天是11月5号。今天 today 是11月 10th month, and 5号 5th a number. So 今天是11月5号。What is your birthday? 你的生日是7月7号。What is your birthday means which month and date. So 你的生日 it's a birth and day, so it's birthday. 你的生日is 7月7号 which month and which day, so it's clearly obvious. My birthday is December 10th. 我的生日是12月10号。Don't be confused. 是 for 是 it's verb to be is, but here's 是 it's number 10. 我的生日是12月10号。So here's 12月10号。我的生日是12月10号。Next one, making plans. Plans. Are you free tomorrow? 你明天有空吗？你明天 tomorrow you have 空吗 free time? Here's no time, but we understand that it's about time. So 你明天有空吗？ And he answers 有空 I'm free. I have a time. I have a free time. 有空。你有什么计划？你 你有什么计划？计划 it's to for. So 你有什么计划 What plans do you have? 计划 it's a plans. 有 to have something. Let's go to the library tomorrow. 我们明天去图书馆吧。我们明天 we tomorrow to go to 图书馆 picture book and some place for this some building 图书馆吧 here's ba represent let's something like to action so let's go, let's do it, let's eat for example. Great idea, see you tomorrow. 好主意好主意 here's 主意 is idea 主意好主意 good idea 不好主意 not a good idea 好主意明天见 see you tomorrow. Tomorrow to see, so see you tomorrow. 明天见 see you tomorrow. And last one, asking for help. Excuse me, what time is it now? 请问 please ask or can I ask or please answer. 请问现在几点了？现在now 几点了？ What time is now? So 现在几点了？ I think here it's represent change of situation. So time is passing by. So maybe he need to know now. Maybe a few hours already passed, and he's represent change of situation. So 现在几点了？几点了？ We don't know full context, but let's assume it is. 现在几点了？几点了？几点了？ It's 3 o'clock now. 现在是3点。现在 right now at this moment 是 is 3点 3 o'clock. So here's 点 like an hour. Thank you. Excuse me, where is the library? 谢谢 it's thanks. 请问 please can you answer? Excuse me. 图书馆在哪儿？图书馆 library 在哪儿 where? So 在 is located in which place? So 在哪儿 at where you can ask, you can say. The library is next to the school. 图书馆在学校旁边 it's also new word. 边 it's a side, but 旁 it's next to something, I think. 旁 side, also side, adjacent, other, next to, beside. So 旁边 it's next to something. So for example close, but near, alongside, aside, next to. 图书馆在学校旁边 but take a look. The library is next to school, but here's library 在学校旁边 at school next. So about a bit different from English. 图书馆在学校旁边 at school near or at school next to school site is library. No, a bit different, so keep attention. Thank you for your help. 谢谢你的帮助谢谢你的帮助 it's a help. So it could be a verb, could be a 名字 could be I forgot this. 谢谢你的帮助 Thank you for your help. And last one, 不客气,不客气. Don't be polite or you're welcome, not need to thanks. 不客气,不客气. And this is all for today. We will learn new words in next lesson number 15. So keep staying.